Take a ride in the 2025 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, four-wheel drive, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.